Hi, Chichabels. So, I know that a lot of you have already been to Hong Kong. Very unique. Since that choice is, you may haven't heard. Or in Kowloon, like
Paint the sky your favorite color.
Hi mga Cheshabels, I'm back, and for this video, I am going to tour you right here in Hong Kong. But I know that a lot of you have already been here in Hong Kong, and most of you have been here more than once. So, hindi ko na kayo dadalhin dun sa mga typical places in Kowloon, sa Mong Kok or Tsim Sha Tsui, or in Hong Kong Island where Lang Kwai Fong or Wan Chai Central is. Instead, I'm going to take you somewhere that you may not have heard of, so that next time you come to Hong Kong, meron naman kayong ibang mapuntahan, so that you'll be able to have a different vacation experience. So, without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let me take you to two islands here in Hong Kong, Woi Wo and Sai Kung. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that notification bell so that whenever I upload new videos, you'll be notified right away. Enjoy!